Full service track renewal with Corkelast EBS-RF. Early in the morning, Tim receives a call about a closed metro tunnel. He is the head of the maintenance department of Metro X, and he's had problems with the old booted sleeper track that requires maintenance. Tim hurries to the tunnel and hears that the track is damaged. He realizes that more dangerous situations could occur if he doesn't replace the blocks quickly. With thousands of travelers counting on the metro, Tim knows he has lots of work to do. The load of passing trains has caused small gaps between the rubber boots and the concrete, allowing water in. The water pours between the concrete and rubber boot. When a train passes, the water is pumped up from under the blocks. This results in cracks in the blocks, distorted rubber boots, and increased rail wear, to name a few problems. To add to Tim's problems, track maintenance on live metro systems needs to happen in a matter of hours to keep trains running smoothly during the day. At his wit's end, Tim consults Edelon Cedra. Luckily, Edelon Cedra provides a specialized service in the renewal of block systems. Edelon Cedra renews both damaged concrete and wooden block systems. Prior to replacing Tim's track, our team of Edelon Cedra application engineers inspects the track and concrete to analyze the existing situation. Edelon Cedra then creates a renewal plan that fits his demands on quality and possession time. Edelon Cedra track systems are born out of the need for more convenient and durable solutions. For instance, the Corkelast EBS-RF retrofit block is prefabricated in an elastic Corkelast tray under controlled conditions. Assembled into one unit, the block and tray can be swiftly installed into the pocket of a removed booted block. The tray has a special fabric lining to make a durable mechanical fixation with the concrete, preventing water from seeping in. With the renewal plan in hand, Tim starts to see light at the end of his tunnels. Edelon Cedra even replaces the old blocks. In Tim's case, this is done in a few tightly planned night shifts. The replacement runs as smoothly as the metro does with the new block system in place. Tim doesn't have to worry about being called out of bed with a virtually maintenance-free track system in place, ready for millions of passengers for years to come.